We all take decisions in life, right from the childhood, isn't it? So we take decisions, our near and dear ones take decision for us, and decisions decide our destiny. Do you agree with me? Type in the comment section and tell me how decisions, which were the important decisions in your life that actually changed the trajectory of your life. So my dear friends, how do we decide? What is the power of decision? And these decisions can really redirect our life from this angle to this angle, from A to B and from B to A. It can go in any direction. So let's decode this power of decision. Hello, I'm Dr. Poonam. I'm the founder at Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS is the true inner doctor within you, and that's your mind, body, breath, and soul. Now let's see why do we decide, how do we decide, and what's the power of decision. So why do we decide? You know why we decide? We decide because we have lot of options. Abhi dekho, when you were, let's go back to our childhood. When we were small children, we had the choice of either crawling, मतलब हम crawl करते रह जाते ना. What was the need to stand up or run or even go to our near and dear ones? मतलब बड़े हैं, बड़े पे आराम से खेल रहे हैं. What was the need to crawl? What was the need to stand? What was the need to run? So there was some decision made that no, I don't want to only be on the bed. I want to turn, I want to crawl, I want to fall, I want to sit, I want to stand, I want to fall, I want to fall, I want to stand. Every moment decision has changed our life. We decided to stand and we stood. If you did not decide to stand, we all would be crawling in the world, right? So that's the power of decisions. Some more decisions. You decided to go to school. You decided to choose a course. You decided for your arts, commerce, science. You decided after 12th, right? When you chose science, the other options, arts and commerce, just went off. You chose the direction of science. After science, when you choose the direction of either engineering or medical or whatever, I know only these two options, I'm a doctor, so sorry for that. Now, when you choose one decision that, okay, I want to be a doctor, then that becomes your destiny. आप डॉक्टर बन गए. क्यों? Because you took the decision. You took that decision. So decision is very important in life. Now, why am I bringing this topic? Decision. Now, we have taken lot of decisions in academics and in our life, right? But do you realize the way we take decisions in our personal life, professional life also has an important aspect. Now, for example, if you keep on saying, I'm very busy, I don't have time, and you decide that, okay, I will do this 9 to 5 ka job becomes 9 to 9 job, you come home late and there is no time, and you decide, no, I can't join a gym, I can't eat healthy, I have to eat late only, because you have decided that my life is going to be like this. So do you see, you have the power to decide that I can do something about my life, or I can allow my life to run me. Either you run your life or life will make you run. So that decision we need to make. If we don't take the decision, life will take the decision. Got it? So if we have the power with us to decide, if we don't decide what we have to attain in our life, life will take us by its own decision. तो आपको आएगा stress related lifestyle diseases, health problems, mental problems, sadness, depression, everything will come because you're not choosing, you are allowing the life to run. You choose, you decide. When you decide, life will run according to your decision. You decide, no, I'm going to come by 5 o'clock. I'm going to go at gym at 6 o'clock. I'm going to eat healthy. I'm going to sleep for 7 hours. It's your decision. If you do not take that decision, nothing is going to change. So nothing changes until nothing changes. If you don't change this one aspect in your life, then nothing can help. So we have this, actually as human beings, this is a very, very unique power that we have. See, a cockroach cannot say, I want to do this. A lizard can't say, I want to do this. मुझे गाड़ी चलानी है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे साइंस, मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, वो लोग नहीं बोल सकते. The power to decide and choose is only with human beings. That's why we are human beings, and this is a blessed life. You know this. Human life is very, very blessed life. We are not born as animals, we are born as human beings. We are unique. We have the power to decide for our life, where our decisions will direct our destiny. So we are the master of life because we have the power to decide. So whenever you see up any course or any mentor, then also we get confused. Should I do this? Should I do that? And mind will always keep you confusing. अरे ये मत कर, अरे वो मत कर, ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये वैसा नहीं. Why comfort zone? We all love our comfort zone. And where we have to decide, whenever we have to step out of our comfort zone, we need the power of decision making. Decision making is not required चाय पीते वक्त, शॉपिंग करते वक्त, नेटफ्लिक्स देखते वक्त. उस वक्त डिसीजन मेकिंग नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. आराम से हो जाता है. वो चाय बनाया, खाना खाया, सो गए, नहा लिया, शॉपिंग किया, नेटफ्लिक्स देखा, मूवी देखा. उसमें देयर इज नो पावर ऑफ डिसीजन रिक्वायर्ड. डिसीजन मेकिंग पावर is required. When do you face this decision making challenge? Only in the areas that are important to you, when you step out of your comfort zone, when you decide to grow, because your growth is in the outside your comfort zone. Your growth is in your uncomfortable zone, and there is the power of decision. When you take the decision to come out of your comfort zone, life jingalala. That's it. So let's see where we are holding ourselves back, because wherever you are holding yourself back and cribbing and crying and blaming and criticizing yourself, जाके देखो कौन सा डिसीजन नहीं लिया है लाइफ में. उस डिसीजन को लो. टेक दैट डिसीजन. विच डिसीजन यू हैव नॉट टेकन इन योर लाइफ, go and visit that decision. You will be free from the stress in your life. धक धक होगा, प्रॉब्लम आएगा, चैलेंज आएगा, but when you take that decision, you will be freed from the stress. So my dear friends, I'm so happy that I have brought about this topic, because decisions are very important. Make sure you have the right decisions. And again, there is no right and wrong. हमारा आधा टाइम उसमें चला रहता है, ये करूँ या वो करूँ, ये अच्छा है या वो अच्छा है, व्हाट इज गुड, दिस इज गुड, दैट इज गुड, व्हाट शुड आई डू. ओवर एनालिसिस, ओवर थिंकिंग, ओवर एनालिसिस, पैरालिसिस. सो डोंट गो इन दैट विशियस साइकिल. सो डिसाइड समथिंग. व्हेन यू डिसाइड, बस फिनिश. यू डोंट हैव टू other choices, other options are gone. So decide, and when you decide, you commit. You commit कि यही करना है और करना ही करना है. That's it. But when you don't decide, what happens? Just think about it. When you don't decide, you are nowhere. You are stressed because ना तो ये लिया है ना वो लिया है, कुछ भी नहीं लिया है. दिमाग में ही घूम रहे हैं. monkey circus is going on. So decide. When you decide, you get stress free, because now you have chosen a path. Whether it works out or not works out, that's a different story. But decide तो किया है ना. It will free you. It will give you the freedom. So decide and let me know in the comment section, what have you decided after watching this video. Let me know how was the video, what was your bulb on moment, and thank you so much.